Hello and welcome to another DIY. It's Sandrine. Hi. So in today's video, we are gonna be crystalline rhinestoning up this swimsuits. Everything in this haul I got from Amazon. So all you're gonna need is some crystals, rhinestone, and I got this little set. I think I probably paid $14 for it. And the swimsuits, I got it for $9. And all I'm gonna do is just use my hot glue gun to just glue everything on. Simple as that. You can just place them however you want to place them. I would suggest using an E60 glue and just waiting overnight for everything to dry instead of using the hot glue gun because it's get very messy. So when I ordered this little rhinestone set, I was hoping that there would be like a lot of big ones in there, but in all, I think there was probably only 10 big ones just like these ones right here that I'm taking out. So I had to make up for all of them by basically using the whole set that I had, which wasn't really enough, but I made it work. I prefer the bigger ones because they look so much better, but I decided to deal with it. As you see, as I'm using a hot glue gun, it started to get those little strands or whatever you want to call them. I try to take up as many as I can, but it was too much work, so I just left them just the way that they are. And I started running out of all of the white rhinestone, so I started using some colorful ones that I got. I think it actually made it a little bit more better. Instead of making it simple, I made it more colorful. Colors always make stuff look better. So that's it. I hope you guys liked this video because it was super easy. This took me like a good, I guess, an hour to finish everything up. Because of my nails were super long. I had on some acrylics, so it got a little bit difficult, but I got used to them real quick. So this is how it turned out. I'm wearing this cover up that I got from Amazon also, but it looks really good. I only did the back, not the back, I only did the front, but it looks amazing. It fits so good. I got it in a small. I'm so happy with it. I'm happy just how it turned out. And that's how it's looking. So cute. Looks amazing. And I also got this cover up from Amazon as well. So I guess that's the end of this DIY. And I will see you guys in my next swimsuit DIY. Bye. Mwah.